Hi, it's Kozue. I'm gonna be doing my nails with regular polish. After washing my hands, I clean my nails with ethanol. I'm gonna paint D Up Strong Guard as base coat. I'm gonna paint Paradu Nail Foundation PK04 on my thumbnail. I'm afraid this color is not available anymore. This series is available at 7-Eleven in Japan. New shades get released a few times a year. I always miss a spot around here. PA nail color A25. I like this ivory white. I really like the color and the fact that it doesn't get patchy a lot. I'm painting the same polish as the thumbnail, Paradu Nail Foundation. I'm gonna paint PA sheer black coat on the middle finger. It's a bit difficult to paint it evenly. I'm gonna paint PA S25 on the index finger. After drying them for 7 minutes, I'm gonna paint second time. I think I have to paint it 3 times. I'm gonna paint the ring fingernail 3 times as well. I think my ring fingernail is a little too thin. Curved a lot too, so I shouldn't keep it long like this. I'm trying my best to avoid the patchiness here. I guess tilting the brush is a good idea. I put a little water on a toothpick and I'm gonna put 3 glitters on the middle finger. After waiting for 7 minutes, I'm gonna paint the thumb and ring finger for the third time. Morgan Taylor's dark gray polish. I'm gonna make micro French manicure. I tried using a brush, but it didn't work very well. I'm gonna do the thumb. Of course, the thumbnail is bigger, so stamping is more difficult. I hope you can see it there. I'm cleaning under the nail with nail polish remover. I'm gonna stamp with a stamping plate from Temu. I'm gonna blend these 2 white polishes to make the color softer and still stampable. You might be thinking that blending takes time, and by the time you finish blending, the polish is already dry. Do not worry, you can still make it. I'm using Seria's stamper. I'm gonna stamp with black stamping polish from Temu. I put Seria's stamper head on Daiso's stamping block. I'm gonna keep stamping without cleaning the plate. Born pretty, no smudge top coat oil. Paradu Jelly Top Coat. It's available at 7-Eleven. I'm just painting all the nails. After a few hours drying, I'm gonna paint sachet vide. Too bad I still see the free edge on the thumbnail and the ring fingernail. Done. Aren't they lovely? I changed the design on the right hand a bit. Whenever I see the black flowers out of the corner of my eye, I feel happy. They're so cute. Thank you very much for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.